Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 63 reg wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi with an automotive group conversion. Covered just 26,000 miles from new. Vehicles come to us direct from Motability, as is with the majority of our WAVs, unless it's one that we bought back under our buyback promise from our customers. So we guarantee the mileage on all our cars, the condition, as you will see, grade A condition. This is a 5-seat plus wheelchair conversion, but it does have the 7-seat option. So a nice light and dark grey interior, pretty much as standard. You've got your air conditioning with your heater dials and direction etc. there, with your radio CD, 7-speed DSG gearbox, very popular, very reliable. So it's a 1.6 diesel engine. Some people tend to think that the 2 litres are a better engine or more powerful engine, when in fact they're pretty much the same brake horsepower. One's 102, one's 104. So not a great deal. So people are quite surprised when they initially ask, and we let them know that the 1.6 is not that inferior, if inferior at all, to the 2 litre. So 5 seats plus the wheelchair. No privacy glass on this one. We can get it fitted if you do want to go down that route, and we have someone that comes in and fits it in there for us. A slightly different conversion, so quite a rare little thing on the floor. This is what they call the deep floor. So you've got the 33-inch wide floor for wider wheelchairs and scooters. If I just bend down here, you'll see that it's a deeper floor and a flat floor rather than the sloping, more shallower floor. What that gives you is a huge 60-inch headroom, massive. So for the taller wheelchair users, this is ideal. Not many vehicles, less than 2% I would say of vehicles, have a 60-inch headroom. So if you do require that sort of height, then this may be the car for you. So if you want to come along and see us, we're at Cooling Road Service Station in Wainscott in Kent. Postcode for your sat navs, ME2 4RL. You can reserve this car online via PayPal. Just go onto the link onto the website. If you have any trouble, give us a call on 01634 716 911. We'll happily send you over or talk you through on how you can put a deposit down through the PayPal online. You can also do a bank transfer. You can apply for finance on our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. We offer a wide range of services and products, part exchange. A lot of people ring us up thinking that we don't part exchange non-adapted vehicles. We do, and we'll always try and get the best price for you. We have different ways of obtaining the prices, and we'll always guarantee to give you the best price possible, which is best for you. We can give you the options and you can choose, no problem. So finance can be applied online. You could also give us a call on 01634 716 911. We'll send you over a quick quote where you can upload your details at your leisure. We don't take any personal details. That's between you and the finance company. Get an answer back within a few minutes, and then we can proceed to the next stage. So everything about the company is based around giving the customer as much choice as possible. You choose how you want to buy the vehicle. We listen, and everyone's happy. For more information, give us a call on the number 01634 716 911. We'll happily discuss your options. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.